Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to drive over one of the finished sections of the highway now, the Southern Coastal Highway. We are by 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, and straight ahead is a bridge that was built. Now, straight ahead the highway takes a new alignment. Where we are, the highway runs along the existing road. But to go over, when we go over this bridge now, the highway takes a new alignment. So this is a new road that was built going through the hills. I'm not sure if that was an accident or something out there, but so here we are now on the new road. So between Harborview and 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, where the video started, the highway runs along the existing roadway that's upgraded to 4 lanes. But from this point, from this bridge back to the Suncoast area, the highway goes through the hills. And this section is actually finished. So you're going to have a very nice view on indication of what the highway is going to look like when everything is finished. So remember now, this road is a 4-lane dual carriageway. So the road that we're on now, this is how the road is going to look from Harborview to Yalos. No, sorry, yes, from Harborview to Yalos, 4 lanes. And then from Yalos to Port Antonio, 2 lanes. Now, I'm not sure which highway is the nicest highway in Jamaica, but this one is definitely one to talk about. Look at this road. But if you think this road is spectacular, you should check out the road between Maypen and Mandeville now. That is a really nice highway also. And that one is also going to open at the end of August. We have videos up of it. Very nice road. But this is also a very nice road, so I really am not sure which one you would consider the nicest highway in Jamaica.